Hello and welcome back to Polestar Driver. On this channel, as you know, we are tracking my ownership of a Polestar 2 and the ups and downs of owning one of these in the early stages of this new brand. As always, thanks for watching, and if you do have a chance, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and leave us your comments. Always interested to hear how your journey is going. So this week, great news, my car was repaired and it was returned to me after 2 weeks and 3 days in the workshop. As you can see, my car now has a name, ROXY, and there's nothing special about this name other than those letters are in the number plate of the car, so I thought it was a good name to have. So what happened while the car was in the workshop? First of all, they replaced the high voltage coolant heater, which was part of the recall. And then when they tried to start the car, it wouldn't go. And then they found that there was another faulty part, which needed to be replaced. I didn't get the name of the second part that needed to be replaced, other than I was told that this part lived above the battery, and to replace it, it required the whole battery to be removed from the car, which I'm told weighs just under 1 ton. So they had to remove the battery, replace the part, then put the battery back and resolve the outstanding issue. This job was then completed, and then they proceeded with the update or the over-the-air compatibility upgrade, and they also proceeded to replace both inverters on the bulk capacitor terminal. All of this was done at Squire's Furno Leatherhead. I hope I've said that right. I prefer to refer to it as Volvo and Leatherhead. They did a great job and kept me well informed all through the 2.5 weeks on the progress of my repairs. So what has changed? Obviously the first thing to check is the software version, which was updated to the 1st of November and the 23rd of October, as seen here. One interesting thing I found in the about screen was that the build number and the VIN number looked like they're clickable, and I clicked the build number a few times and it actually says you're 2 steps away from being a developer. Now I'm not sure if I should have developer access to this. I don't think I should. So I'm not sure whether this is a planned thing or if it is been opened by accident. The next thing I checked was the preheating schedule. So scheduling. So I did this morning. Car was ready at 10 to 12 on Friday. It started on time. It wasn't exactly 30 minutes before, but when I got in the car it was heating and hot, so that's working. You go in here, schedule, and I've just created a regular one for my regular Friday trip. Next thing to check was the charging with the recommended 90%. Charging here, it does say charge up to 90%. I can't confirm if it stops at 90 yet, because last night with my agile price limit, it only got up to 78%, so I'll check the 90% whether it stops or not and then let you know. Now to look at a few things that I think have gone backwards since the latest update. The first of those is Google Maps. I can't see any speed cameras or notifications in Google Maps anymore. Here you can see me browsing the map to an area where there are 3 speed cameras within a couple of miles of each other. In the first instance, there's one on the southbound carriageway and one on the northbound carriageway within a few hundred meters of each other, but these are not displayed anywhere on the map now after the latest update. Then I got out one of the previous videos that I had recorded, and here you can see on the main display the orange dots are where it indicates where the speed cameras are, and this is the same area that I was just browsing on the previous clip. The next item on the list is Wi-Fi. The other thing I've noticed is that I cannot connect to any Wi-Fi hotspot. I have here a 4G Wi-Fi which is on, but it's not even listed here. I've turned the hotspot on my phone on, it's not even listed here, and the network that it was connected to at home, it now doesn't even see that network. So something's changed in the Wi-Fi settings. Even if I turn this off and then turn it on again, it still doesn't find any Wi-Fi's. It looks like it was looking there, but doesn't find anything. So I'm not sure what's changed on that. The last thing on the list there is the user manual, the online user manual in the car. And I've never used this before, so I can't tell you whether it used to work or not. But you'll see from this clip, it doesn't matter which links I click on in the home screen, it just gives a blank page and nothing ever happens. You can go back to the menu, select a different link, again you just get a blank page. So that's my list of items that I've checked so far since having the car back. 3 good ones and 3 not so good ones. I will continue to look at these, and if I see any updates I'll let you know. The other issue that I've already made a video on is the speed limit information that's displayed in the car and how bad that is. And I have another video which I'll be releasing soon, which shows the speed limits on the motorway, well-known motorway, where the information is incorrect. That's it for this week. Don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe and click the notification icon so that you get advised when new videos are available, and leave us your comments. Tell us what you've noticed after your recall and updates, and let's see what we have in common. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.